In this video, we'll explore how Claude can transform your debugging process by efficiently tackling large code bases, enhancing your skills in error analysis and bug resolution.
Did you know that over 50% of a software developer's time is spent on debugging? Enter Claude, a revolutionary AI tool designed to simplify and expedite this tedious process. In today's video, we'll uncover how Claude can transform your debugging experience, making it not only more efficient but also more insightful. We'll guide you through setting up Claude with your codebase, utilizing natural language to pinpoint bugs, and leveraging its suggestions to fix issues swiftly. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of AI-enhanced debugging.
Claude is not just another debugging tool, it's a comprehensive AI-driven assistant designed to revolutionize your coding workflow. At its core, Claude employs advanced natural language processing to interpret queries and provide insights into your codebase. This means you can communicate with Claude using everyday language, asking it to identify potential bugs, suggest optimizations, and even predict possible failures. Unlike traditional debugging tools, Claude learns and adapts with every interaction, becoming more attuned to your specific coding style and preferences. This adaptability, combined with a sleek and intuitive interface, makes Claude an indispensable asset for any developer looking to enhance their debugging process. Getting started with Claude is a straightforward process. First, ensure your development environment meets the necessary prerequisites, including compatible IDE and operating system versions. Next, download and install Claude, following the instructions provided on its official website. Once installed, connect Claude to your integrated development environment, IDE, by using the provided plugins. Configuring Claude's settings to match your preferences is simple, allowing you to customize notifications, suggestions, and more. Finally, import your existing codebase into Claude. This initial setup allows Claude to start analyzing your code and providing valuable insights from the get-go.
One of Claude's standout features is its ability to respond to natural language queries. Imagine asking your debugging tool, "Why is my application crashing on startup?" and receiving a detailed analysis in seconds. Claude processes these queries using advanced natural language processing, breaking down your request and cross-referencing it with the codebase to identify potential issues. This method is significantly more efficient than traditional debugging, which often involves sifting through lines of code manually. By allowing developers to communicate in plain language, Claude enhances productivity and reduces the time spent on locating bugs, freeing you to focus on more critical tasks. Claude excels at identifying common patterns in your error logs, which is crucial for improving code quality and reducing recurring issues. By using its pattern recognition capabilities, Claude can detect trends and anomalies in error logs that might be overlooked by human eyes. This analysis helps in understanding the root cause of errors and implementing effective solutions. Moreover, Claude provides visualizations of these patterns, offering a clear picture of your codebase's health over time. By recognizing and addressing these patterns early, developers can significantly enhance the stability and performance of their software.
One of Claude's most practical features is its ability to provide real-time code suggestions to fix identified issues. When Claude detects a potential bug or inefficiency, it offers tailored suggestions directly within your code editor. These suggestions are based on best practices and Claude's extensive knowledge base, ensuring they are both relevant and effective. You can customize the level of detail and frequency of these suggestions, allowing you to maintain control over your coding environment. By incorporating these AI-driven suggestions, developers can resolve issues more quickly and maintain a high standard of code quality. Claude is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing debugging tools, enhancing rather than replacing your current setup. Whether you're using tools like Git, Jira, or Jenkins, Claude can complement these by providing additional insights and automation capabilities. The integration process is straightforward, with clear documentation and support to guide you through connecting Claude to your preferred tools. By integrating Claude, you can maximize the efficiency of your current toolset, automate repetitive tasks, and optimize your workflow without sacrificing flexibility or control over your development process. Efficient bug tracking and documentation are vital for any development team, and Claude excels in this area. Claude automates the process of tracking bugs, documenting each issue with detailed information, including the steps to reproduce, potential causes, and suggested fixes. This documentation can be seamlessly integrated with popular bug tracking systems, enhancing team collaboration and communication. By streamlining the debugging process, Claude allows developers to focus on resolving issues rather than spending time on administrative tasks, ultimately improving the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the team. Seeing Claude in action can provide valuable insights into its real-world applications and benefits. In this segment, we'll explore several case studies where Claude has significantly impacted development teams. From reducing debugging time by 30% to enhancing code quality and team productivity, these real-world examples highlight Claude's potential. Testimonials from developers who've integrated Claude into their workflows reveal not only the tangible improvements in efficiency but also the enhanced satisfaction of working with a tool that truly understands and supports their needs. These stories underscore Claude's role as a game changer in the realm of software development. In conclusion, Claude offers a revolutionary approach to debugging, transforming what was once a tedious and time-consuming task into an efficient and insightful process. By integrating Claude into your workflow, you can not only enhance your productivity but also improve the quality of your software. We encourage you to try Claude and see the difference it can make in your development process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on leveraging AI in software development. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping future content.